Hello, fans of voiceovers. Get ready for an epic fight between the most advanced text-to-speech artificial intelligence (AI) websites. We'll see jaw-dropping contenders, find out each of their strengths and weaknesses, and name the winner with the most human-like voice. Are you ready? Let the fight over the voiceovers begin. Lovo AI. Are you ready to discover the endless opportunities of audio with Lovo AI? Lovo AI has a huge library of sounds, from famous people to ones that you make yourself. The lifelike and passionate sounds on the app bring stories to life, making the experience more interesting. With Lovo AI, it's easy to make voiceovers that sound like a professional did them. However, Lovo AI's weakness is that it can't understand all languages. For people who don't understand English, there may be fewer voices to choose from, which could reduce the platform's draw to a global audience. 11 Labs. Want to hear voiceovers that sound so real you won't be able to say a word? 11 Labs specializes in making voices that sound so human that they can easily fool people. Their care with accent, speech, and natural delivery makes sure that your texts sound real and interesting. With 11 Labs, you can make voiceovers that draw your audience in and keep them interested. On the other hand, it may not have as many voice options as some other platforms. If you want a lot of different sounds to choose from, you might not find a lot of them here. Murf AI. Are you ready to find out how magical it is to change your voice with Murf AI? Murf AI takes text-to-speech to the next level by letting you change the sound of your voice. Want to sound like a cute robot or an alien from another planet? Murf AI sorts you. Their unique voice modulation choices let you try out new things and give your voiceovers a little something extra. But Murf AI might not be the best choice if you want a voice that sounds like a real person. Even though their voice-changing features are amazing, people who want to sound like themselves might not like the choices. Play HT. With Play HT, you can play with sounds and take your work to new heights. Play HT has a large number of sounds, so you can find the one that works best for your project. Play HT lets you make voiceovers that connect with your audience by giving you an easy-to-use interface and advanced editing choices. It has what you need, whether you need a friendly voice for a cartoon movie or a professional tone for a business presentation. However, it might not be as realistic and natural as some other apps. Even though their voices are clear and easy to understand, people who want voices that sound more like real people might find them a little lacking. Natural readers. With natural readers, you can easily make voiceovers sound natural. Natural Readers is a company that specializes in giving voices that sound very natural and real. Their sounds are clear, have good timing, and are nice to listen to. Natural Readers has a variety of voices, so you can choose the best one for your project and keep your audience's attention. On the other hand, Natural Readers may not be able to change their voices as much as you might like. If you want to change your voice a lot or give a character a unique voice, you might not have a lot of choices. TTS Maker. TTS Maker gives you the power to turn your written words into high-quality voiceovers with just a few clicks. TTS Maker is a great choice for beginners because it is easy to use and has a lot of sounds to choose from. It makes it easy and quick to make voiceovers, saving you time and effort. But TTS Maker might not have all of the advanced features and customization choices that other platforms do. If you want a lot of control over your voice or a unique way to change your voice, it might not be the best choice. Dubverse. Dubverse has an innovative voice modulation function that lets you change sounds very precisely. Want to add a little mystery or make a character sound like they came from another planet? Dubverse has the tools to make that happen. Their app lets you try out different voice sounds and let your imagination run wild. On the other hand, Dubverse might be harder to learn than other apps. Mastering speech modulation and getting the effects you want may take some time and practice. Synthesys. Want to try out the power of cutting-edge neural sounds with Synthesys? Synthesys uses powerful neural networks to make voices that sound very real and natural. Their tool lets you choose from many different voices so that you can find the right one for your job. With Synthesys, you can make voiceovers that are interesting and make a deep connection with your audience. On the downside, Synthesys may not be right for everyone because of how it is priced. Their plans and deals can be quite pricey, which makes it harder for people on a tight budget to use. Voiceover by Speechify. Are you ready to boost your productivity and make voiceovers easily? Voiceover by Speechify makes it easy and quick to make voiceovers. Their software works with many apps and devices, which makes it easy to turn text into speech. Voiceover by Speechify makes it easy to make high-quality voiceovers on the go, whether you're on your computer or a mobile device. It might not have as many advanced personalization choices as other platforms, though. Besides, it might not be the best choice if you want smooth control over voice modulation or sophisticated features for editing. Altered. Are you ready to take voice tuning to the next level with Altered? Altered has advanced voice-changing features that let you make voiceovers that are unique and stand out. With Altered, you can change sounds to fit different characters, make interesting stories, or add a creative touch to your content. The site gives people a place to play around with their voices and opens up a world of options. However, Altered might need a certain amount of technical skill to be used to its full potential. Voice change can be hard for people who are just starting out or don't know much about advanced audio editing because of how complicated it is and how long it takes to learn. Listnr. Listnr is great for reaching people all over the world because it can generate voices in multiple languages. Listnr supports a wide range of languages, so you can make voiceovers for people who speak different languages. It can help you if you need voiceovers in English, Spanish, French, or any other language. Compared to other platforms, Listnr might not have as many voices to choose from. If you want a wide range of sounds in each language, you might find that your choices are limited. Respeecher. Respeecher takes voice conversion to a new level by letting you change current voice recordings to make them sound like different people speaking them. You can change your voice's pitch, tone, and even gender with Respeecher. This opens up a lot of fun options for dubbing, translation, and making speech encounters more unique. On the other hand, Respeecher's voice transfer features might work best with higher quality source material. Less clear or low quality records could make the results less believable, which could hurt how well the voice conversion process works overall. Speechmaker. Speechmaker lets you make voiceovers automatically. Are you ready to see how powerful this can be? Speechmaker makes the process of making a recording easier by providing automatic options. Their app uses cutting-edge AI technology to quickly and easily turn text into speech. With Speechmaker, you can make voiceovers in a fraction of the time, which makes it a good choice for projects that need a lot of them. However, because Speechmaker is automatic, the voiceovers might not sound as realistic as they do on platforms with more advanced voice creation methods. If you want your voiceovers to sound as natural and emotional as possible, the way Speechmaker works might not meet your needs. That's all there is to it. Good luck with your voiceovers. You have the power to make realistic voiceovers, whether you use Lovo AI's wide range of voices or 11 Labs voices that sound so much like real people. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and notify me to join us on our next videos. And don't forget to tell us in the comments which text-to-speech AI website you think is the best. Until next time, keep looking for new things, making new things, and pushing the limits of technology.